Wemeli ke Kongres na gambe gire ubadeiru udkhot ke Public Accounts Committee usaleng sangma ke khalai trek Juli ulabu Jingkylli ke Tnad Bording Halor ke Jingrem ke Lait wala ke don ke Jingpynlip Bording ha ke jela ulong ru bag sarkar kamni bentendrong ke jingkit ke paiba namar ke jinglong jingman ha ke Tnad Bording ke jela khamta ma bathiet Bording ne kiwe ke jela.
The power is not there for like 8 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. It seems like all the people from all over the state are getting the same bill as usual as they used to have the bill during the normal time. So I think those needed to be checked in seriously. We are always talking about the like high bill, inappropriate bill, all those things. I think that needed to be looked out seriously by the government. At least the pressure, the hamper should not go to the public, because right now, though the power is not there, though the Meghalaya itself is buying the power, from the other source, just because we are buying the power sector from, the power from the other sources doesn't mean that we have to put the hold the burden to the public. I think government has to look into this matter seriously.
Usama uloong ru bag jingdon ko ho umiam kampat biang ba ulapen pau ke jisokya Halor kani gaman kabujuyai peteng ba ulabu Jingkylli ru bala ondang pentri kami ke Jingpynlip Bording wan ada jinglong jingman ka umiam kelas dang pha.